welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am Johan, and for today's video we're gonna unbox. I'm gonna unbox blind bag. So daghan ako nahimo nga blind bags. So, mao na din na diri ang akong blind bag. So, magpili ta kung unsali ako ang makuan. Piyong ko di ako iyan na. Okay, one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This one. Wow! I got this big. Okay, itong tarungan sila. So, magkuha ta og gunting. Wait sa. Okay, magkuha sa gunting. Ay. Wait sa kay to adis ka ate tong gunting. Ako sa kontan. Okay. Let's open it. Sige. Una. Oh. Merong common, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. So, ang atong nakuha mo'y rare. So, squishy pizza. I have the squishy pizza. And this is the back. And this is... I have squeezy. This is my favorite. And now this is my favorite. And next we got what next? Oh, the name of the pizza. That's the name. This one. So I got Superman. Let's open. Superman. Yay. And next we got Mickey ball. I don't know what. Wala ko kabalo kung sa pangalan ani. I got this. And next we got, yay! I got this one. So that is my fidget toys. So that's all of my fidgets. Mauna nay kana sila tanan mo sulod anin. So dara sila. please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below and please click this, not this, please click this one. So bye bye, thank you for watching. Bye.